So today also we are going to have interaction session. So hope in last class also you had interaction session. Some kids must have already answered. So we got the updated list of whomever is called from Kiran ma'am. So the other children will be called now according to time permits. Those who are not called, that is, those who are called and those who are not responded will be called again according to the time permits. Okay? Yes.
Mom, it's my birthday.
Oh, today it's your birthday. Yes, let's all sing birthday songs for you. Yes, children, you can unmute. Okay, you must mute and you can sing. And at last, you will show your video. Okay. First, Ryan will show your video. Yes, let's sing birthday song for him. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
God bless you, dear.
Birthday to you.
Bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, superb, superb, superb. Yes, Rian, you can say
Happy
thank you.
birthday, Ryan.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Rian.
birthday.
Okay, yes. Yes, children. Okay, thank you so much for listening, Rian. Yes, now you can mute yourself. Kindly mute your audio, Kanna. Yes. Yes, Savitri.
Yes, children. Yeah. So, see, can you see in the slide? We have some preposition words in the help box. Yes. What is preposition? A noun or any other word which it says where it is. The position of the word where it is. A word which says where the noun is or any other word is like that. That word is called preposition. So we have some preposition here in the help box. The answers may repeat. Okay, so we will be calling you one by one. Only the child should unmute the audio and read the sentence given below, and you have to tell us which position will suit in that blank. Yes, are you ready? Janavika, kindly mute your audio. We didn't get call any child till now. Okay, Janavika.
Janavika, you have unmuted your video also. Kindly unmute your video, Kanna.
Mute your video and audio.
Yes. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, ma'am. Shall I call the child?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, Nikhil from 1E.
Nikhil of 1E.
Yes.
Nikhil.
Yes.
Yes, Nikhil. You can read the first sentence.
Is under the table.
Very good. The cat is under the table. Very good, Nikhil. Yes, ma'am. Now let's call on the next child.
Next is birthday boy Rian.
Ryan.
Yes, birthday boy, you can unmute yourself now.
Yes,
Yes, Ryan. Ryan, read the second sentence, Ryan, and tell me the answer.
the mouse is on the table.
Wow.
Very good, Ryan. Superb. Okay, now you can mute your audio. Now, yes. Samrish. Samrish. Samrish, are you there? Yeah, he's there. Yes. Now read the third sentence, Kanna.
Third.
There is
Okay.
a
Mm.
bowl.
Dash.
Dash
Answer simple.
the under in the table.
Is it in the table? Whether it is
Yeah.
kept inside the table?
On the table. Answer simple. That is a ball.
The bowl is on the table.
Okay. Very good. It is on the table. There is a bowl on the table. Okay, Samresh? Very good. Anyway, you tried. Very good. Super. Yes. Now call the next child, ma'am.
Sarjit Krishna, ma'am.
Sarjit Krishna. Sarjit Krishna, are you there? I think he is not in the... No, ma'am, he is not in the participant list.
Okay,
Let's
Shravan.
call the next.
Shravan.
Shravan. Shravan, are you there? He is there in the participant list.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shravan. You can read the fourth sentence.
The mouse.
Mm.
The bowl.
Mm. The mouse.
Near
The mouse.
near the bowl.
Okay, the mouse is near the bowl. Yes, very good, Shravan. Superb. Thank you. Mute your audio. Yes, ma'am. Call the next child, ma'am.
Next is Sriyash. Sriyash.
Sriyash. Sriyash. Sriyash. Kindly unmute your audio, Kanna. And read the fifth sentence. Sriyash.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sriyash. Now read the fifth sentence.
Ma'am, Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
There
Yes,
is
sir.
cheese.
Ma'am, Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is very low, ma'am. Just check your network, ma'am.
My voice, sir.
Ma'am, your voice is clear, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you, sir. Anyway.
Network, okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry, Sriyash. Sorry for the disturbance. Kindly read it again. Anyway, I listened to you. You told it correctly, but others must have listened right.
It's under the bowl.
No, Kanna, you are going to read the fifth sentence. There is...
Cheese.
Cheese. There is cheese. Where is the cheese?
The bowl.
Sorry, Kanna, it was the line was disturbing actually. Can you read it again?
Bowl.
Ma'am, was it clear? Actually, it is not clear for me.
No, ma'am, it is not clear. Can
Yeah,
you-
when he is saying the answer, it is not clear.
Yes.
Kindly say the answer again, Sriyash.
There is
Okay.
cheese in the bowl.
Super. Thank you, Sriyash. Now it was clear. Thank you very much. So, thank you. So you can mute your audio. Super, Sriyash. Very good. Okay. Now, ma'am, call the next child, ma'am.
Next is Sudarshan Prasad.
Yeah, Sudarshan Prasad.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sudarshan Prasad. You can read the sixth sentence.
The dog is in the door.
Whether the dog is in the door? Just to see where is the dog. Actually, in that options, you can say two options are suitable for that. You can say any one of that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Tell ma'am.
Beside it.
Beside option is not at all there. Beside is also one way correct, but actually that option is not there. Anyway, you thought in a different way. That's good. I don't want answers in the chat box. Others, please don't put the answer in the chat box.
Okay. Down, ma'am.
Samutri, you are not called now. Rayan, kindly mute your audio. Only Sudarshan Prasad is about to answer now. What, Kanna?
Dog is beginning.
Very good. The dog is behind the door. Or otherwise, we can say near the door also. Okay. Both the answers will be suitable for that. Very good. Now, mute your audio, Kanna. Let's call the next child.
Yes, ma'am. Next is Tamil Vendan.
Yes, Tamil Vendan of 1E.
Tamil Vendan.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there. Yeah. Kanna, read the last sentence, the seventh sentence, Kanna.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Kanna.
The
Yes.
DOG dog
Yes. Very good.
IS is
Superb.
H IDING.
Yes. What is that word?
In
No, Kanna. HIDING.
G.
Yes. You are trying. Very good. Yes, come on. The dog is.
The dog is Jin.
See the
Yes. Yes. HIDING.
Okay. How to read that word? How to say that word, Kanna? See the first sound, letter sound. Try a little. Somebody is giving smileys. Sridhar sir, those who are giving the smileys you can send them to lobby, sir.
Definitely, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Dog outside, ma'am. Dog is outside.
Is it outside, Kanna? Okay,
Yes.
I'll help you to read the sentence. Okay. The dog is hiding.
Hiding.
Dash the door. Where it is hiding?
Dash the door.
Yes, where it is hiding?
Door.
That's what. Where? Whether in front of the door or beside.
D E H I N D. Door.
Okay, how to say that word? B-E-H-I-N-D. How to say that word? Okay, behind. Okay. Yes. Now let's both of us read along the sentence now. Will you read along with me? The dog is hiding
Hiding the door.
behind the door.
Behind
Superb.
the door.
Superb, Tamilvendan. Really, you tried by yourself. Ma'am, give him 2 stars, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very good.
Yeah,
ma'am.
because without anybody's help, he took his own time and tried, and again he tried, and he was reading that, so he's going to get 2 stars. Tamilvendan, super. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Tamilvendan, super. But you have to read and read practice more and more, okay? You have to get reading practice more and more, okay, Tamilvendan? Superb, Kanna. Thank you very much. Now let's move on to next child, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now
You
we are
can
moving to F
Move on to
section.
next slide.
Yes,
Yeah, you can
yes.
move on to next slide.
Okay, fine. Yes, next child, Kavi Charan, Kritik Bala, Kishore Kumar. Get ready, Kanna.
Yes.
Ma'am?
Kavicharan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, Kavicharan. Here we have some adjectives. Okay. So what is an adjective? Kavicharan, do you know? What is an adjective? It is describing something, describing a noun, right? Okay. So here in the help box, we have some adjectives. And what you're going to do is, you're going to read that sentence and you have to say that which word is suitable for that blank. Are you ready? Yes, Kavicharan, you can read the first sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Read the first sentence.
Yes. Look at this little mouse.
Very good. So mouse is the noun and the mouse, how will be the mouse? It will be very little, yeah? So that little word is an adjective. Can you read it again with the full sentence?
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this little mouse.
Okay, very good, Kavicharan. Superb. Ma'am, is that next child is Kritik Bala?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But just now he left the meeting. He is not there. Kritik Bala, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Kritik Bala, you can read the next sentence, second sentence.
Elephants are big.
Very good. Yes, elephants are
Big.
big. Super, Kritik Bala. Very good. You can mute your audio. Ma'am, the next child, ma'am.
Next is Kishore Kumar.
Kishore Kumar, already we called. Okay, Kishore Kumar. Oh, that is in J section, sorry.
J6.
Kishore Kumar, Kishore Kumar.
Kishore Kumar. Ma'am, can
I
you check the
think
participant?
that-
He's normally.
No, ma'am. He is not there, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Krishwant.
Krishwant also not there. One moment, I'll just check it again. No, ma'am. Krishwant is also not there.
Lohit, ma'am.
Um,
Lohit.
No.
L-O-H. Okay. Manish.
No,
Manish.
Manish is also not there.
Mitresh. Mitresh.
No, ma'am.
Mithun.
Yeah, Mithun is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mithun. Now you can read the third sentence, Mithun. That is C.
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Yes, giraffe.
Giraffe. Long.
Mm. Long.
Say loudly. Say loudly, listen. Long. Long.
Yes, long.
Tail.
Ah, tail. But the giraffe will have the long tail. Nick, very good. But it will be so funny, right? If a giraffe will be having a long tail, it will be so funny to see.
I think the tail will be like a monkey, right, ma'am?
Okay, we will do one thing. We will sketch this, let's imagine that giraffe is having a long tail and let's sketch it. Yes? Okay, whenever you are free, you just sketch that giraffe with a long tail and see how it is.
Long neck.
Okay, superb, Mithun. Anyway, it is good, nice. You are trying, right? That itself, it is a very big achievement, yes? Beautiful, Mithun. Yes, thank you, Panna. You can mute your audio.
Okay, next is Mohammed Alman Sharif.
Alman,
Mohammed
think
Alman
he-
Sharif. I think he's not there.
he's not there. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Namishaga we completed already.
Yeah.
Padmesh. Padmesh.
Ma'am, Shayan is over.
Sayan.
Shayan, Mohammed Shayan.
No, that is D section, right? Okay. Mohammed Shayan.
Shayan.
Yes, now I'm calling F section, ma'am. That is why.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, one moment, Shayan. Sorry, I got confused.
Okay, no issues, ma'am.
Yeah.
Padmesh is there?
No, ma'am.
Ranganathan?
Ranganathan is also not there.
Ranganathan. Okay, Sai Krishnan.
Yeah, Sai Krishnan is there.
Yes,
Sai
ma'am.
Krishnan? Yes, Kanna. Yes, can you read the D?
It is a cat.
It is a cat. Yes, you have a blank here, right? What you should do? It is a dashed cat. So fill that verb.
Dash. Angry cat.
It is an angry cat.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Savitri ma'am. Okay. Yes, children. Yes, he is telling the answer as angry, ma'am.
Is angry is correct. Yes. You just see the help box, Kanna, which one will suit for that?
Slow.
Slow. Whether the cat will go slowly? Yes, of course it will go slowly. Sometimes if it wants to drink the milk, it will go slowly. But actually you can search for most suitable word for cat.
Is not suitable. Slow is not suitable. Then other three words are there. What are those words? Bushy, dirty, fat.
Dirty.
Cat is dirty, yeah. Always, you know what? The cats will keep himself clean.
Fat.
Ah, yes. But why Subramani is opening his mouth? I'm asking only Sai Krishnan. Yes, Sai Krishnan. So, what is the answer?
Fat.
Wow, very good. Can you read the sentence for me?
The cat is. It is a cat.
Uh huh.
A fat cat.
Superb, superb. Very good, very good. Good, Kanna. Now you can mute yourself. Okay. Very good. Yes. Next
Welcome,
is. Welcome, dear. Vignesh.
Ma'am, I
Vignesh.
think Vignesh is not there. And you can continue, ma'am, now. I'll just see the chat, the participant list and tell you.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Vignesh is there. Very good.
Yes, Vignesh is there, ma'am. Okay, Vignesh, can you read for me the E section? E sentence?
Rabbit. Rabbit. Yes.
Has.
Yeah.
Mm. What is this, Kanna?
Little.
Tail. Okay, can you tell me which will be the apt one?
Holiday.
Yes?
Yeah, the easier. Easier. Little animal. Little animal.
Bushy? See, you have to keep the mic next to your mouth and say, Kanna. Bushy tail. Okay, can you repeat the sentence once again, Kanna? Vignesh,
Little.
can you repeat the sentence once again, Kanna?
Yeah.
Tail. So rabbit is a
Rabbit.
little animal.
Animal.
Tail.
Okay, thank you so much, Vignesh. Yes, but make sure you keep your mic next to your mouth and tell us because your voice is very, very low. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, so welcome, dear. Okay, let's move on to the next child, Harshika. Harshika RD. Ma'am, Vignesh, you can
Yeah. Just
Kanna. Harshika is there, ma'am?
no, ma'am. H only, right? H. Harshika.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Jashrita Sri.
No, Jashrita is also not there. No, ma'am.
Jashrita Sri is not there. Okay, then Kanitra.
Who is that? Another Vignesh. Vignesh, kindly mute your audio. Just one moment, ma'am. Kanitra, right? Yeah, she's there, ma'am.
Vignesh, you need to mute yourself, Kanna. Okay, Kanitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready, Kanna?
Yes.
Okay, read the next sentence for me. F section. Come on. Read the F sentence, Kanna.
Tortoise is no
Dash.
dash
Niralya, don't give annotation request. Dash, what is this?
Animal.
Wow, very good. So from this help box, which is an apt adjective? See, angry, dirty, slow is there. Which one is correct?
Slow.
Wow, very good. Can you read the sentence with that particular adjective?
The tortoise is a slow animal.
Wow, very good, very good. Good, Kanna, keep it up, okay? Now you can mute your audio. Superb, superb. Yes, next is Kavyashree. Kavyashree? Kavyashree, ma'am, Kavyashree is there?
Yes, ma'am, she's there, ma'am.
Okay, Kavyashree, kindly unmute Kanna. Parents, this is an LSR and this will be taken into account for the upcoming assessment. So please make a note. You want your child to participate.
Good morning.
Yes, Kavyashree. Okay. Yes, Kavyashree. Can you read for me the sentence G? Come on, read.
Pig like a tomato.
Pigs like to?
Live in
Mm.
places.
Dash places. It is not a continuous sentence. Make dash places. Say like that. First you read like this. Dash places. Okay. Now tell me which. Okay. Okay. Good. There are two answers here in the help box, which is angry and dirty. So what? Where will the pigs like to live?
Dirty.
Dirty places. Okay. Could you read along with that apt adjective? You said dirty, right? Read along with the sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read Kanna.
Pigs like
Mm. Likes to, pigs like to, then,
live
okay,
in
okay,
dirty.
yes.
Dirty place.
Wow, very good, very good. Superb, superb. Parents, please don't give in the chat box your child name. We are having our own list and we will not call the child name in between. We are following the attendance order. So don't kindly type the child name. This is, we are following it strictly. So in between, if you type your child name also, it will not be called. Okay? Yes, sir. Next child, Meenakshi.
Good day, ma'am.
Jay Gurudev Kanna. Okay, can you read for me the H sentence?
The sword
Ah. Always. Always.
Always dance with the cats.
Yes. So what is the only one answer is there? What is that?
Angry.
Ah, superb. Can you read along with that adjective?
Dogs
Hmm.
are
Hmm. Always.
always
Hmm.
angry
Hmm.
with the cats.
Wow, superb, superb, Meenakshi. Very good, Kanna. Good. Keep it up. Okay, yes, sir. Next, I go
Thank
to.
you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. Welcome. Next is Niralya. Niralya, kindly get ready, Kanna. Niralya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Okay, yes, we are come to. This slide is all about verbs. Yes, yes, Niralya, can you tell me what are verbs? What is a verb, Kanna? What is a verb?
Action.
Yes, verb means action words. Very good. Now in this slide, they've asked us to choose the correct verb from the box. Can you see there is an L box given? From the L box, you have to pick up the verbs and you have to write it here. In this side, you can see there are sentence given which is incomplete. So you have to pick up that verb and you have to write it over here. Okay? Are you ready to answer me now? Read the first sentence, Kanna.
Ma'am,
Mm.
the
Okay.
sun dash
Mm.
brightly.
Superb. So what is the verb here? Which verb will pick it up? The sun dash brightly. What is the sun doing?
Shine.
Okay. Could you tell me whether it is shine or shines? The sun shine brightly or shines brightly? Yes.
Shines.
Very good, because the noun is a singular one. So when it is singular, the verb will be plural. So the sun, can you repeat that word with the answer? Nerelia, can you read for me? Okay, so it's time up. I'll complete with it. The sun shines brightly. Okay, yes, we are keeping a note of it. Thank you so much, Nerelia. Others, we are keeping a note of it. So everyone will get a turn for the LSR. Okay, so kindly don't type the names in the chat box. We are following a attendance order. Thank you so much, children, and thank you so much, parents. Thank you. It's time for us to end the session. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye dear. Bye 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 bye. Jai Gurudev children. Bye. Thank you Savitri ma'am and thank you so much Sridhar sir.
Bye,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, and Jai Guru, ma'am.
Thank you sir. Jai Gurudev sir. Okay, sir, like